Are you ready to learn the shocking truth about Bitcoin? Buckle up, because I'm about to reveal to you the future of money. First of all, let me ask you a question. Do you think the traditional financial system is broken? I certainly do. It's a system that's designed to benefit the rich and powerful, while the rest of us struggle to make ends meet. But there's a new player in town, and it's shaking up the entire financial world. That player is Bitcoin. It's a digital currency that's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. And that's precisely what makes it so revolutionary. Bitcoin puts the power back into the hands of the people. But here's the thing, Bitcoin is often misunderstood. Many people think it's just a way to buy drugs on the dark web or gamble online. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Bitcoin is much more than that. It's a technological innovation that's changing the way we think about money. Think about it. When was the last time you used cash? Chances are, it's been a while. We're moving towards a cashless society. And Bitcoin is leading the charge. With Bitcoin, you can make instant and secure transactions anywhere in the world, without the need for a bank or middleman. But that's not all. Bitcoin is also a hedge against inflation. Unlike fiat currency, which can be printed endlessly by governments, Bitcoin has a fixed supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, and that's it. This means that as demand for Bitcoin increases, its value will likely continue to rise. So, what does all this mean for you? It means that Bitcoin is an investment opportunity you can't afford to ignore. If you want to protect your wealth and future-proof your finances, you need to consider investing in Bitcoin. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Bitcoin is so volatile. It's too risky. Yes, Bitcoin is volatile. But so is the stock market. So is real estate. So is every other investment out there. The key is to do your research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. In conclusion, the future of money is here, and it's called Bitcoin. Don't let fear or ignorance hold you back. Educate yourself, take action, and embrace the financial revolution that's happening right before your eyes. I promise you won't regret it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you take these lessons to heart and apply them in your life.